Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check Coinbase transaction history. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can simply check your Coinbase transaction history. So let's get started. So the first step is to log into your Coinbase account. So you can simply do that using the mobile app or visit the website, which is the coinbase.com, which is on the screen. Then after that, sign in with your email and password. Then from there, on the app, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then on the website, you can simply click on your profile icon at the top right. Then from there, you have to go to the activities or assets. So to do that, in the app, select activities to view recent transaction. Then on the website, click on asset and select the specific crypto to see its transaction history. Then from there, scroll through the list to see all deposit, withdraw, buys, sells, and transfers. Then tap on specific transaction for more details like date, amount, status, and transaction ID. And after that, if you need a detailed history, go to the settings, then click on report on the website, then click on generate report, then choose the date range and download it as a CSV file. And that's just a simple way on how to check Coinbase transaction history. Find this video helpful, turn on the donation button and follow for more.